Oh, you look so mature, you know.
He doesn't meow, you know.
Uncle, what do you do? Where?
He'll just open his mouth.
Pay. Let me give him. Let me feed him.
I wash your hand.
Come here. Oh, he's shy. You give.
What is snow?
Oh, he's not hungry. Let me feed him. Come here. You come here.
This one just ate. If you don't eat, just keep in the chair.
Okay. Uncle, do you want? He's saying, oof, this smelly thing. Oh, I think he wants it, that biscuit. Doesn't like. Ah, guys, it is day 3 or day 4 in Dagupan. I don't remember. Right now, I'm at my friend's home. Salman Bhai, local Salman Khan. And his apartment is so beautiful. It has so many plants. Look around here. Wow. Let's just go and look around, okay? I'll show you something. Snow, baby. Oh, baby. Come here. Hello. See, look around. There's so many plants. Oh, and I love this. Has Christmas vibes. And see, it's like resort only. So pretty. I think I love this terrace. Let me just go and check there. So pretty. You can just sit here and study. Yeah, this is how it looks outside. Oh, it's so bright and sunny. See this chunky man? He came and sat beside me. I'm so happy. Chonku chonku.
Healthy.
Yeah,
Tita.
I'm not gonna eat.
Tita Salman, why are you opening it up? I feel like eating. Just close it up. We are eating everything left over. This is what Caris gives me every time. Same.
What you want?
I miss even after like few years I'm with Yawa and Mugwen holding them like this. Okay, finally we are going to beach. What's it?
You went already in like other bit.
Oh, I went to Porto Galera, but it's so far from our place.
Okay, when we're coming back, let's take jeepney.
Okay, finally we got to jeepney and we got this front seat. We got this front seat. I'm so happy because this is VIP seat.
So pretty, and no one's sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. In spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a part.
Guys, can you see that area is the beach? ये खोला का नाम क्या हो? खोला हो कि सी हो? सी का नाम क्या हो?
You can see.
Finally, we are here at the beach. Wonderful. Vanilla, कस्तो feel भयो तिमीलाई?
It's nice to be at this.
Wow! Wow! 기분 내놔. Wow! It's such a pretty place!
Soram-soram lagi.
Wow, Carrie, thank you so much for bringing me to this beautiful place. What place is this?
Sondalingan Beach भन्छ बनुवान. ल भयो. दामी देख्यो तँलाई, दामी देख्यो. उता बिचमा त जाऊ न. बिचमा त जाऊ न. ओए. एकछिन बिचमा जा न पहिला चाहिँ ल भगवान् मैले यस्तो काम दिएको मनै पर्दैन उसको पिन देख्दैछ ल पिन एकछिन पर्खेँ एकछिन ओइ तेरो पिन देख्दैछ तेरो सबै देख्दैछ ओए
This is so pretty.
It's really nice and it's my first time. I really love the waves.
Waves! Ako gusto dami dekheko herna mo first time ako to. Guys, I changed myself into this. I changed myself into this and we are walking in this beach food stall. Yeah, and the prices are pretty affordable. Not pretty, it's like very affordable. Thank you so much. Ooh, what is this?
यो vodka lychee.
Lychee. lemon lychee ka cha?
Lemonade no, यसमा नि vodka छ नि.
Wow, apple.
Green apple मेरो सोटे.
Thank you.
यहाँ छ हो.
हैन, केजी तलाई किन न त?
किन यतिबाट खानु त प्लास्टिक वेस्ट नगर.
लोभी भन्न. जोइन. ल. Eco-friendly. My friend is being eco-friendly.
I know लोभी भनेको हैन प्लास्टिक वेस्ट गर्नु हुँदैन.
Eco-friendly.
अलिकति इको-फ्रेन्डली हुनुपर्छ नि हैन.
I'm dancing and she is getting second-hand embarrassment.
Bakit ba? Sige ba?
Tapos wala kaming cheese, let's lang.
Matik na to. Without drinking.
Matikit kita.
Ay, okay lang pala kasi.
Finally, we got our fries and iced tea. And now I'm going to dip inside. And see, this is the DIY I made with handkerchief, scarf. It looks like bag, but I've kept my clothes and pants instead.
만부터 보자. 왜 알코올을 딱 안 내나니? 알코올을 딱 안 내나니? It's good, no, but it's not. I can't drink any alcohol. It's alcohol.
Not alcohol.
It's alcohol.
Just
sarap yun. Takot siya.
Namawan naman ka. Suray logos yung sansa. Guys, Angelus Rainbow to grace us. Such a beautiful place to go on a walk with your lover, it seems. Yeah. Okay, now it's time to go back home.
Dagupan niya.